Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Haier smart TV is on the same Wi-Fi network and running the latest firmware. This prevents app errors. Once done, power the TV and open the pre-installed apps or Smart Hub. Make sure you have your Google/YouTube account credentials ready. Use the remote to navigate to the YouTube icon or open the TV's App Store if YouTube isn't visible. This first pass gets you into the app environment quickly and avoids delays when signing in or pairing devices. Once the YouTube app is open, select Sign In and decide whether to pair via a phone or sign in on the TV. Pairing is faster and avoids typing long passwords. If a code appears, go to YouTube. .com/activate on your phone or PC, enter the code and confirm. This links your account securely. Make sure to allow required permissions like watch history if prompted, because that personalizes recommendations. If pairing fails, choose the direct sign in option and type your email and password using the remote carefully. You finish by testing playback. Search or open subscriptions, then pick a video and check picture quality. Change the quality setting if your connection is slow. Make sure the YouTube app and TV firmware are up to date. Updates fix many playback bugs. If video stalls, restart the TV and router, clear the app cache, or reinstall YouTube. These steps resolve most issues. If pairing fails repeatedly, remove linked devices from your Google account and repeat the activate flow, because stale links often cause sign-in problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.